Hello everyone, welcome back. So today gagawa tayo ng garlic butter shrimp. So the first time I had this one was nung nasa John Paul ako, nagtuturo. So during lunch, ito yung binibili namin sa canteen or sa cafeteria. And the first time I had this one, masarap siya. And then, though may allergies ako with the shrimp, I still tried to buy and then eat it. But on top of that, I already, or I prepared rather, my antihistamine para hindi ako mangati. So every time kumakain ako ng mga food na allergy ako, or may allergy ako sa mga food na yun, I always prepare a cetirizine or an antihistamine for that matter. So para after kong kumain, I can just take medicine and then I can go on eating with the food. So today, these are our ingredients. So I took this one from panlasangpinoy.com. So we have 1 head garlic crushed. So isang buong garlic ang gi-crush ko. So kasi yun dong nakalagay sa ating ingredients. Ang ating shrimp. Okay, so si shrimp natin is gi-marinate ko siya with a lemon soda. Make a good taste with the shrimp. And then since wala tayong butter, I only use a margarine for this time. And then our crushed black pepper, our lemons, and then another bottle of lemon soda. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's start. So let's turn on our burner. Okay, let's tone down the fire. Okay, there we go. And then we will add na our margarine. So instead of the butter, we will have margarines. Okay, so after siya ma-melt, we will add on our garlic. Okay, naan muna natin yung apoy.
Luto naman. Ako ko nagka-food ko kay late naman ko ni Baray sa katulog.
So nalagay na natin ang ating garlic. Hi, baby boy. Okay, so yung aking pamangkin. Okay. So, atin munang ipag-golden brown or i-turn brown yung ating garlic. Okay. So, we will wait until it turns brown. So mahina lang dapat yung apoy. Okay, so since nag-turn to brown ang ating garlic, we will now add our shrimp.
Nagatuan mo sa barangay. Nagatuan na lang sa barangay mo.
Okay. So done adding our shrimp. So we will adjust the fire. Okay, so we will stir until it turns orange.
Ha? Palit na kagaham. Salamat, ma'am. Right? Thank you, ma'am. Nice treat. Matarawan mo ako, ma'am. Tayo. Done. Ito nila, ma'am. Diaper man ako. Dance, dance.
Okay, so now we will add our ground black pepper. Okay. And then our salt. So let's just add a little bit of salt, and then our lemon. So 1 teaspoon lemon, and then let's stir. Okay, let's cook it for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, we are done and we are good to go, and it's ready to serve now. So we are done now with our little cooking show. So we just finished cooking our garlic butter shrimp. So this is a homemade garlic butter shrimp. And let's try kung masarap ba siya or masarap. Okay. So I will let my in-law try this one kung pasok ba sa kanyang panglasa. So we will turn the camera. Anyway, so let's just let her try our meal.
Hello, YouTube.
Okay, so yeah.
I'm gonna try one.
Go. Taste test.
Taste test. The head first because. Oh. Sarap. So yummy.
Really?
Yeah, it's like it's made from a Chinese restaurant. So good.
Because we're Chinese.
Bye.
Okay. So masarap daw ating homemade garlic butter shrimp.
Like it.
So she really like it daw. Okay, so right now, I will let my brother taste it kung anong lasa. Okay, go my brother.
Sarap.
Sure, John? Isa pa, anong lasa pa?
Wala lain.
So masarap daw. So masarap daw sabi ni my brother. So thank you so much sa pa-taste test. Time around, na aking pamangkin naman na pogi boy na parang Koreano. Go David, anong lasa? Dali. Lami? Sige, dali. Oh, anong comment mo? Okay, bye. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you have enjoyed today's video. And to my subscribers, thank you so much. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless you all.